Okay, so today we're gonna take a look at a pair of Jordans that has everyone furious, including myself, because I spent over $1,000 on them. But first, I've got a couple other pickups that I wanted to show you guys. Starting with a good old Nike pull tab. Okay, this is a pair of Jordan 1s. Easy W. I mean, I don't even think we need to say W's anymore or L's when it comes to Jordan 1. They're usually sitting on the Nike sneakers app, including this pair. Nevertheless, I did want to check these things out, so let me show you guys what pair it is. Damn, these are bright. This is the Jordan 1 washed pink, and it is washing out my camera. These are actually super nice. I feel like my girlfriend would absolutely love these things. The materials feel really nice. Love the sailed out midsole, and the ankle collar has really soft suede. Like, that feels incredibly soft. Very, very reminiscent to the Hyper Royals. In fact, I would actually say that this washed pink feels slightly nicer. Like, it has a little bit of a rougher texture. Very, very similar, if not identical design element to it, where it's just a different color. These are blue and these are pink. Now, obviously, this is a women's colorway, but I really wanted to check these things out in hand because there is another colorway, the washed black, and that's a pair that I'm highly anticipating. It's almost one of my favorite colorways of the Jordan 1 that's going to be dropping this year. And judging what I'm feeling and seeing here, I'm actually even more excited because I really do like the quality on these. I will say that you do get an extra pair of laces in the box. This is just that same kind of washed, very light coral pink that you find on the rest of the sneaker. You also get a little hang tag, which feels very premium. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Another Nike pickup, and this one is definitely one of the more wilder options. I think these were actually relatively expensive for what I assume they are. Okay, so straight out the gate, you've got some very thick insole, kind of lined with cork on the upper. Oh my lord, this is, I don't even know what these things are called. The bone ones. Now, something I noticed immediately is that they do come with an insole in there. So I don't know why they give you an extra one. This one just feels exactly the same. Either way, this is the new, I guess, ISPA clog that Nike just released. I thought it'd be a fun time checking these things out. The only really big drawback for this pair of shoes, in my opinion, is this huge gap here. Why add that huge gap? It kind of reminds me of like a Velcro sandal or something. I just wish they closed that off and just kept all of the other perforation holes that are already present on this pair of shoes. I've got to try these things on and let you know how they feel on foot. Wow, okay, these actually feel really good on foot. I don't know what to tell you guys. I kind of wasn't expecting that, but it's a really nice snug fit. Like, it just feels like it kind of molds to my foot. I'm like a half fan of this pair of shoes. Yeah, let me know what you think about these. I think they're still available. A couple sizes sold out. All right, next up, I got a couple clothing pickups that I really wanted to show you guys. First, a couple pieces from Axel Arigato. This is a pair of pants that I already own, but I absolutely loved that pair. I had them in a black colorway. This is called the Axel Arigato Iron Pant. There's just something about the way that these things fit and the way that this material kind of, I guess, drop. Tons of people ask me about the black pair that I've been wearing. And this colorway I thought would be perfect for the summertime. The only thing that I thought was really weird about these is they come with this little tag on the back, which I would never wear with this on. Yeah, you just unclip it and you can take it off, which is definitely what I would do and I would recommend. We've got a couple other pickups from Axel Arigato as well, like this 3/4 zip sweater. This is really nice. This one's just super, super plain. I just really like the fit of it. The neck comes up super nice and high. Like this, I guess you could say like kind of charcoaly gray color. I got a size medium if anybody's interested in the sizing. Also got a jacket. This jacket right here from Cole Buxton. I don't know what they call this, like a diamond stitch or quilted down jacket. Super light, and it has like this almost transparent look to it, like it's slightly shiny as well. And I love the fit of this jacket. It's kind of like shorter in the front. You kind of get that like cropped look, but then slightly longer in the back, so it doesn't just look ridiculous. Yeah, I just wanted to show you these clothing pickups because a lot of you guys appreciate when I show you some of the stuff that I'm buying. All right, let's get into the final package, guys. I forgot my knife, so I have to peel this open. But yeah, as you know, I paid a ridiculous amount for this pair of shoes because obviously I tried to get it early and there was just a bunch of delays with the shipment and stuff like that. That's why you're only seeing this pair of sneakers now. So yeah, it's pretty much just a huge L for me, but at least I get to show you guys and I get to experience this sneaker now. It's all over glossy sail for the outside, and then you've got the matte olive color for the Nike branding. Here you have them, guys. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Olive. Very clean colorway. I just feel like the olive swoosh is a little bit left field. I know it ties into the whole Travis Scott theme, like he's had olive sneakers in the past. I feel like it just would have made sense if it was a white Nike swoosh, or if they just went with a sail Nike swoosh. I think that kind of would have made this sneaker a little bit more cohesive. Now, I will say, comparing them to the reverse mochas, there's actually more differences than I thought there was going to be. I pretty much assumed that this olive colorway was going to kind of be like a copy and paste, just switch up the colors, but it's not. The white leather is actually pretty significantly different. It doesn't feel as good as the reverse mochas. I don't know what it is, but this reverse mocha leather kind of feels a lot thicker. It's also tumbled, which the olives is not. From behind, they look pretty much identical with the red embroidery with the Jordan Wings logo over there. Of course, you got the Cactus Jack branding on the tongue. And as you normally do with Travis Scott releases, you've also got a bunch of other options. You've got red laces, you've got olive laces, which actually would look pretty fire, or you've got black laces. But I think the laces with white, I don't know, I might go black. I'm over here on StockX and you can see like the bigger sizes is really where the issues are. There's nowhere here in the EU, at least that I know of, did extended sizing. Like even the Nike sneakers app. I think for you guys out in the US, you might have had extended sizing on maybe the Travis Scott website, or maybe even the Nike sneakers app. You'll have to let me know down in the comment section. But either way, without a doubt, the extended sizes or the bigger sizes of this pair of shoes were definitely a lot more limited than the smaller ones, which is why I think so many people tried to go for these. Obviously, a lot of guys, even though this is a woman's shoe. And I think if you were a bigger size, it was just damn near impossible to get your hands on these things. These were rumored to be the highest stock Travis Scott sneakers ever. There was apparently 150,000 of these things made. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but the reverse mochas literally broke a Nike sneaker world record in terms of the amount of entries that were made for this pair of shoes. Millions of people trying to get them. It only makes sense that just about the same amount of people wanted to get their hands on these as well. Of course, as you know, this is also the final Travis Scott Jordan collaboration that is going to happen. Travis Scott Jordan brand, they're done with the Jordan 1 silhouette, and I feel like that's kind of fine. Like, we've seen a lot of Travis Scott Jordan 1s. I think when it comes to Travis Scott and Jordan 1s, the price just keeps going up with time, and now that they're done with the collaboration, I can only imagine these things getting more and more expensive to the point where I don't want to pay for them anymore. I think I've just seen so many people so pissed off at this pair of shoes specifically because it is the final Travis Scott Jordan 1. So it's like, for most people, they've been along on this sneakers app journey of going for every single Travis Scott Jordan release and taking L's on all of them. And that's me as well. I've never had a retail release on any Travis Scott, except I did get like a infant size on the Air Maxes. Yeah, guys, I would love to know from you. Let me know down in the comment section, did you manage to get the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Olive? Where would you rank them in Travis Scott Jordan 1 previous collaborations? So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. And hey, if you want to get some Jordan 1s that are a lot more affordable than these, well, check out that video over there.